but I guess you don't have time for me. I want you, baby, I want you, want you, want you, baby, I want you, but I guess love don't love me. No, it's okay to be scared, 'cause this girl is super bad. She will probably be the best thing that you never had. Don't waste no time. Trying to make it
Okay, Paula. Hindi ko alam kung paano ito sabihin sa'yo, pero medyo nababagabag ako dun sa balita na kumakalat yan na meron na kayong ugnayan ni Mark.
you to love me, baby, 'cause I can't take it anymore.
Take it no
You're
more.
I'm for sure, you know.
Hey, hey, yeah.
What's it gonna take to get you to love me, baby?
So, well, I'm stuck here sa Modesto. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang gagawin ko para lang mapuntahan kita kung nasa mga ngayon, para pigilin yung posibleng mangyari na pag-iisang dibdib ninyong dalawa, pero ganun talaga yata eh. So, I'll be happy for both of you. Wala na akong magagawa, so magtitiis na lang ako kay Scarlett. Anyway, just want to wish both of you all the happiness in life and continue to share your blessings to others. And I hope that marami kayong maging mga anak.
You, baby, I want you.
You know what? Screw you.
But I guess love don't love me.
And sana mabisita nyo kami sa aming asyenda sa Modesto para makilala mo naman si Catherine at si Scarlett. Congratulations.
The floor, and when she's